Does Windows 11 automatically mute the sound on your computer? We'll walk you through easy troubleshooting and problem-solving methods. If the issue persists, open the search menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Paste a command, provided in the video description, into the command prompt window and press Enter. In the options that follow, check Apply Repairs Automatically, click Next, and follow any on-screen instructions, including restarting if suggested. Ensure your speaker device is connected properly, the volume is turned up, and check the system tray volume icon to ensure it's not muted. Check your keyboard for a mute key and toggle it, ensuring the device is not muted. Restart your computer if needed. Open the search menu, type Device Manager, and open it. In Device Manager, double-click Audio Inputs and Outputs, right-click on your speaker device, and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then select Let me pick from available drivers on your computer. Select the appropriate driver for your speaker device, or a generic driver if there's only one option, then click Next and close Device Manager. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.